This is probably the best 3,200 PSI pressure washer in the market right now, and it's also very budget friendly, so stay tuned. Hi friends, welcome to Fix This House. If you're new to the channel, consider pressing the subscribe notification bell so you can always be in tune on DIYs, how-to videos, and product reviews that I do within this channel. Now today's video is a product review video. I'm going to be going over this pressure washer by Westinghouse. I'm not sponsored by Westinghouse in any means. I bought this with my own money, and actually this is my very first gas operated pressure washer. Now I wanted to share this product with you friends because on Amazon this thing has over 14,000 reviews on it. I wanted to see how well it performs and what makes it so special. Now I do have this 2200 wall mounted pressure washer by Giraffe Tools. It is nice, it does the job, but the unfortunate part of it is that it is powered by electricity, so I'm very limited on where I can go, and I have to use extension cord to use it. And also it is only 2200 PSI. With this Westinghouse being 3200, it has a lot more power, and I'll be able to go anywhere where I want to be. Here's all the accessories that came with it. Came with the detachable handle. You have the spray gun, the lance. The lance is pretty long. The hose. Came with all these parts. It came with the premium 4-cycle small engine lubricant with the different types of nozzles. Installed the mounting foot. Be very careful when you're installing this. You don't want to over tighten. You don't want to cross thread it either. There's a little place where you can hang the excess there. 40 degree, 25 degree, 15 degree, your 0 degrees, and the soap nozzle goes here. If you're curious, the lance itself is 20 inches. With the trigger handle, it is up to 40 inches. This sits around 39 inches tall, 19 inches wide. So fortunately, the manufacturer gave us an added 10W30 oil. Came with a funnel, and then take it out to check for the oil. Again, you don't want to overfill it with oil. Now for the fuel, it calls out 487 to 93 octane. Before operating this pressure washer, make sure you practice good safety. Always wear eye protection, earmuffs. Make sure you have safety shoes or boots. For me, I have steel toe shoes. We're going to attach the garden hose. Now let's turn on the garden hose from the spigot. Now what I like specifically on this pressure washer is that it has its own soap reservoir right there. So you don't need to use an external soap gun. I'm just using this simple green. Cap it off. So I'm not turning on this pressure washer just yet. What you want to do is you want to squeeze the trigger right here so you can get any unnecessary air out of the system. Just like this. Now if you're doing a cold start, what you want to do, place the fuel valve on, put this into choke, put it on a on position, then we're just going to crank it up till it starts and dies. Take your gun, squeeze it again to relieve any water or air pressure. Now move it from choke to run. Now you can pick any of the nozzles from above. What's great about this is that if you choose the soap nozzle, it only uses the soap. But if you use any other nozzle, the soap will not work. So all you gotta do is insert that on the wand and automatically the soap will start coming out. If you use any other nozzles up there, the soap will not work. So that's pretty awesome. That's a pretty cool built-in feature that Westinghouse did on their pressure washer, which is so cool. Let's try the soap one. Let's pull back the collar, insert it, make sure it's locked, pull just in case. ahead, let me know in the comment section down below what you think of this product, and I will also leave the link on the description down below so you can get yourself one of these if you're interested. If you found this video super helpful, friends, please hit that big thumbs up, press the subscribe notification bell, and I'll see you friends on the next product review.